Me will be a crab and some fan bra channel, so now she has asked your daily sports update and so at the April. And most of Yansam Naibano, a Kumasi Asante Kotokone House of Folk game war, a Basu Yampa Sunday. One say game Nashi, but be a game Nashi Kwaku Dunama giving and sweat my day. They say teams Nimi now be 56 points in Tiama Ghana Premier League. Why they going into that match with 1 game my bus between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and a House of Folk. Yet the Hunsen Bebre at Eba Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters PRO can Sembi at the far referee you need to mid game no referee so you know yet the Hunsem and Eba House of Folk NCC PR for be so kasakasa or more communication members be so kasakasa about the referee some Kotoko for no and a whole lot. So what you say sounds na former referee backwa main nine for na center referee or not na number 2 side game wimbi ya the Hunsem Eba Kumasi Asante Kotoko player you friend of guesting no crack Abrante na kan se bia we Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan na wani beje because the all can see sisa on Sunday wani beje ntia the sansem no enso e April e wo channel so me did Benjamin Akua ko jam fi betima from Ricardo Vara so you new to the channel na de ye wani je ho a subscribe to the channel na bo notification bell so for more update yen na ye homra ye bapa ye wuram na vie de nsam no enso tima brel se ne tie ene se ni esiko mi twam ho basisia ministers clothing the cremam jumadi enso eba South African we papa na wo pa hye de a ye ministers clothing se wo so afa to no ho se oye adwuma wa office wo unya ho twabere biara na wakoye any of the fashion designers office akwakosusu nti ono no ne de ne se frɛ no 0550919100 0550919100 na omra office wo mesusu no mfo atade ne mrew we simple atade a opɛ no na wa frɛ no oba na wa kyerɛ no wa tiki measurement na okɔ no akɔpa no de wa de abrew onkɔ no ho odo be ba office aba abejo abetake measurement no akɔ yama so oni ba be betima ba office just give him your current picture on WhatsApp 0550919100 ministers clothing obe sort out na no na enso atima koyi enso ntade papa se yem pam ntade papa de ministers clothing he's second to none. So obisa mo akwa bi mfamra channel yi so that radio yesi ewuram na afie den sensem no enso etimi toto enso etimi ma na on say Ghana Premier League match 31 na game no game aka bia enso ze academy game aka bia enso etimi academy because Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 coin from Kumasi be na chirem Accra any Accra Hearts for kwakobo the man ye de na the man ye di kan say teams ni now 56 points so this is a potential decider what betima win game we no and here now to Kwako league no so what you say nti wo head we anoma si kwa ye de honsem ni na enso bro na on say ebedru maybe now former referees former players sports presenters a lot of people believe say the way officiate is equal to Okruma no ye referees no more than one will form and the kind of elementary mistakes or mo ye no kamya kwa say ye game wo ebebo e wo Ghana e super we calendar ne so and the way match na say big this time around no can go for foreign referee a man for be no so mo nya adwene adjade but referees no ba bonten na ye owura friend Daniel Lai ono ne ba be gina eye ball na fi wa hwe ama bibia enzo atima koyi oye FIFA referee we did a lot of games enso e wo Africa being the CAF Confederations Cup and the Champions League did the games ni bi enso but Kumasi Asante Kotoko game a odi ye wa bra Asante Kotoko any as good boy no man believes elementary mistake goalkeeper free box no dey sabe can a ball outside the box a foul and sometimes a red card for the goalkeeper but we no enso atima anya hwe and many believes we know and as good for the days of penalty uru no enso atima anya many believes a elementary mistake esa na kamya kwa say yeah we big go Ghana and the same but mpanifo enso atima yi na onu ne ba be gina mfifi ho uru efe Daniela yi be gina mfifi ho no uru efe ne papala enso betimi ahwe na afi assist no na afi uru efe ne Kwasi Brobe omo enso ne betimi ahwe na omantima assist uru na no mani na enso etima koyi enso ho edi ama eyesa game na ebas no na eno na nsam de bibire manfo aka bibire Kumasi Asante Kotoko for say it was an exhibition game for uru no ene ne nkrofo because omo a onom kodi sa match no mo ne be di oboase de no nti many believe say na exhibition match on fambe hwe sa match no hudi wi anomasi ko na on fambe uru mo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne has folk for and this season bibie be si bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko for no believe say there was something against them that's how they believe. So what you see, no more on the pitch and off the pitch, and Momu believe say people have something against them. But owura friend Daniel Lai never be the ball na no na owura friend Alexander Oseiwusu ono na kasamafo dem Kumasi Asano Kotoko NCC no the mother body of Kumasi Asano Kotoko supporters no na recognize Kumasi Asano Kotoko supporters o mwasem na making o PR on CM for say o ma here assessment na o assess a series of matches owura ensu officiate here wo House of Folk and Kumasi Asano Kotoko give him no o mo convinced with the performance in Tombe appeal to Ghana Football Association say o mo withdraw Daniel Lai so what I saw me do Daniel Lai, but this is something yes was ABC the appointment committee of the Ghana Football Association yes was asama reference Alexander was say was PRO for Kotoko NCC nekano ombejia to run the obeba no ba begina give no ba be officiate edema both teams ni na enso honti eno ne nsama Kotoko supporters no enso e can say PRO of Kumasi Asano Kotoko NCC kasa now we believe say adia Kotoko supporters no enso e pese omoye. And many so believe that run performance in their game against Ashgold no wasn't the best. In the night Kambo Muanka, they feel say Omnia referee for man be the game na Kabebo. And no, and now has to focus so on communication member who refer na Yasmin. The dinner Yasmin. Most of times no, I know I want to me a Kinebe show no so Yasmin. Yes, I want to me 101.3 Kinebe shows no most of times I know Tawo. And then in an interview on Pure FM one year obi try class no and I would come on say sansem na Kotoko kanu omo crank be omo de enti be omo de say Kotoko for no chance omo yesi it brings some sort of pressure referee so because there is a referee be gina mu ade so Jima House of Folk onyima House of Folk because did say as what Jima House of Folk because yanka so House of Folk ni ade House of Folk dia give you Kumasi Asano Kotoko aye so ogino onye because oje because see ka so House of Folk ni nti na wagente esa na obo abebo House of Folk for abro nti omo de nka de Kotoko kan company fo ntie na nko mo chenye referee no na pressure bia nka wa beto referee so ma referee na di agidie say decision obe take nka ya genuine decision about take here without fear or favor no many Kotoko supporters be dey say ya kan so Kotoko ni and say kan so ya House of Folk ni ya kan so ya against Kumasi Asano Kotoko enunti e na akwaje bo we ndi House of Folk for say be ya komo say san referee am from but say the kan enya de e be si da o ma no enso entim eni nti ene de odura na betima ginam na afi wa hwese no ma na betima koye erama two teams no enso ho a be no so nsem kakra fi ho ba ye bompa say odura na benya good day me kire Daniel Lai benya good day because two great teams omo in super form and we be see akan they have players quality and coaches ni year juma when Kotoko bogim you know say Mbare to year juma House of Folk bogim you see say Samuel Bod year juma so this time around no we know say quality of play ebe kosuru you be quality so ye bon say referee be day not this is no be na sport one ye bo na we no ye nga say referee and as obi say na ma game no ye ntima ni nkunim tie no ne mpaye a ye bo for Daniel Lai tie no so ne sem kakra if you hoba na no na referee bako and this referee Kotoko ne has match aya de ye tai ka ho asempa no the main knife so what I say the main knife on say ura no Kotoko match on boy against House of Folk ekofa atorenchem semba ya kuruma bebe for biamanfo ka ho asempa no ura your friend Jacob Wilson on the main knife game Kumasi Asano Kotoko and House of Folk game no once the way attention is high, the way Amanfo believes that this match, is a potential decider for who wins the league, in Tiase, no man now was so supporters and so to me was through the same brave and so and so else argument to run and say already or wasn't become at a tray a yes supporters nina a found me no or wasn't become at a trom or send us more can say or more respect to referee decision. Omo respect to referee decision. I know you're not saying back or work e dey atere Kumasi Asano Kotoko supporters no. Any House of Folk supporters and say decision be ba na referee take care. Mo respect decision say this is the decision of the referee. And agimo final they take decision until you respect decision no never see a team no betima di nkunim. So mo ye ne sa e be boa ama game ne be ko nya ba fi abra ye ntehwe. Sa so no say san wa futuo e de ma ne referees no. Referee a original game ni mekire Daniel Lai wa futuo baako enso de ma no na futuo so de ma ne say game na ekoso a most of times say odi ball na chi na decision be take no onye just 10 meters away 10 meters away from decisions obetiki ebi obeje foul bi a say oye 10 meters away da obehu ni yie obehu ne clear no watimaje saa no na nkofa mentim ho ase bi ama na say referees ni ye ne saa na supporters na so ye ne saa ya ade a game we ebinya good game ama ne mani na enso etima koyie ene ma Accra House folk ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko na supporters obetima ko enso ba fie ba be di ufufuo aba be di e o kinki na bibia enso etima koyie enso ede amo ene nsem a Orua your friend Jacob Wilson retired referee wa dibida Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne House folk wa dibida and main night game no ne di here into a can say mo pet referee decisions are you know said the okano wojim the okan and referees so kase mo men na mo nya be just 10 meters away say be mehu decisions na gini here I think say is in the right direction or mo ye be boa ama Ghana yen football no to tima prepare so esi edu na afi sa game ayi na gidi say a top game a big game no just selling good football today we are finally now mo say yes Ghana enso ye wazi oye interne nsemo a Reverend Jacob Wilson and so the two damn there to him on your daily sports update and so honemom on the say there I had there obi e kan there na wo fa ha so for come there Kumasi Asante Kotoko for come there obi a and so come there enya agudie no say player back wa your friend no Augustine Okra this season no he was in a fine form for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and an injury set in ama no mani na enso tima ye basa kakra na ma branch na branch say ubekaya match because wa Accra Sports do na match na course no Kumasi Asante Kotoko di nkunim na nkurima Kumasi Asante Kotoko di ye no abran de fe Justice Blay na pembo na to atenam na sa bo na Blay pem de to atenam no na kick na say free kick be to ho no guest no can pejama guest abran de fe Justice Blay pem enter the to net na no na branch say since so free injury buy no eno no practice and no ko training grounds wa and no part of one ko tuba bia that day na bo ne da no amaso na aye gane yumo aye abranti aye friend Mudasiri mu pem to 20 na mu saa so free aye free njuban there saa 29 no ye saa 29 no ye because Sunday even if aye 1 minute pempo no benya obeso samba no be break the hearts of phobians biem because when him say say the ball no pajama Blay pem share no it break the heart of the phobians into this time around no the same thing no dey ba the same thing ti or yet training na wo maso na gani mo pem do tontinam na branch friend Mudasiri mo pem do tontinam or say this time around no 1 minute mpa he's hoping so benya na if wasante has to folk for no akoma so biem no nsem so a Orua your friend Augustine Okra, player for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And so the two. So the game is in. We are in for a good game. We are in for a match. Say you can't and you who be say a book game na match back could be between Kumasi Asante Kotoko to make decider. Me, the last time a game be by an important thing was in the FA Cup final against House of Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko in 2017 Tamale. That game was so important, but for me, no, recently this is the most important game ever between these two teams. So a good game I never call. Now if you can't but did when you can with my from Ricardo Vaz. Me and them do your daily sports update and so to so you're new to the channel. No one need to day in who subscribe to the channel and notification bell so for more update. To meet again, no, we say bye bye. Mansato phones accessories. Mansato phones accessories or no and also man said mam de jumadi and so at the set phone covers now pe papano phone protectors papano hands freeze papano chargers are papano Mansato as when I begin na bi ato Samsung na pen drives memory card readers na fi Bluetooth headset Mansato na papano na so ye papano a honey ton quality goods in terms of phones accessories there Mansato phones accessories and I make come for them adum Kumasi Achabara building him no wo ni branch ne ba ko nso e o kejetia ho enso na ne second branch no enso e wo se uba betu akoton uba beto ba kwakwa use Mansato se bra no ni eye dwumadie no so what you ase enya agudie 0244027345 0244 027345 and only number between Mansato was so uni Kumasi babia ubia opese utubi tonwa Mansato obe package pass on a kama e de abrel opese utukotonwa as little as 200 Ghana cedis 200 Ghana cedis you heard me right which man na mani bebre akoton na fe won so do sika guboto bocho no akodi so Mansato phones accessories and I make camfo and so phone accessories a papa de ho and awo customize So what I say, customized charger. Man, set phones are so heavy. Ono ne kra mu mam de djumadi enso